Everyone, this is our room. This is 6905, and when you walk in you see the bed directly there, and then to the left you have some storage here, more storage. I'm guessing that's a refrigerator. Then you have this closet system storage that Will's gonna show us. Vanna will.
We have robes. This is just our long storage things. That's like a cubby, maybe some shoes.
All right, and what's on the other side? Now this is literally like right in the door, so.
Yeah, so we got an umbrella or two. Shelves. Got a laundry bag. I don't know what this bag is.
Celebrity tote bag.
Tote bag.
More hangers.
I don't think we can take that though.
I really don't know. That's a good question. All right, so coming in, we have the vanity area here with the lighted mirror. And then we have some power solutions in the desk. A chair. Will's gonna show us the fridge. So it has set up for a mini bar. So these things are not included. So if you drink them, you buy them, even if you have the drink package. Hi. And then if you look behind me, you'll see there is a chair here, and this does pull out into a bed. There is a giant TV. Will, does that TV swivel or move at all?
Let's see. It does not.
It does not move. Okay. We haven't unpacked because they were drying our floor. That does concern us. And here's the bed. So you've got a nice artwork, and you have nightstands on either side. We'll come look at this nightstand here because it does have something that'll interest a lot of people. Will you right there? You've got 2 regular plugs and 2 USBs. So great job, celebrity. Is that the same on the other side, Sir Will?
Yes, it is.
Same on the other side. All right.
Tell them about these USBs right here.
Yes. I did tell them about those. All right, there's the door. And then if Vanna will let us see the bathroom. Okay. All right, so you come in here. You've got some shelves here on the right. You got a little bit of storage underneath. You got a nice big sink. And then to the right, you got towels. And then here's the toilet area. And then stepping in, I'm gonna try to show you guys this.
Oh, it goes in here.
So this is the shower, and it goes in. And then this is the kind of system they have here. They do have the shaving bar. I prefer the shaving bar not there, personally. Now, I'm gonna go in to the shower, and we're gonna see what we see. So I'm gonna step in so I can get in fine. And then if I move all the way to the front here, you see the door. You see the door is here. So if I move all the way to the front, you guys, can you see this? So I have to turn, but if I turn and face the front, can it close then? Barely. And then you can step back. And then you hit this bar when you step back.
I think one of our people we watch on YouTube kept hitting the bar.
Yeah. If you've seen, you might have already seen Parody J's review of this shower. I concur. This is gonna be tight. So let's see the best way. I'm gonna back all the way up. Now you guys are with me, so there we go. And I can then escape. All right, there's my shower review. All right, and then some hooks on the back of the door to hang things on, so that's really good. There's a carpet in here.
Our carpet's wet.
Yeah, so, all right, end of room tour. All right, guys, as promised, the long-awaited room tour for the concierge level balcony. So this is the entryway. So you're gonna have your bathroom on your right and your closets on your left, and then you come in and you have your cabinets here, your drawers here, your refrigerator there. Now you'll see this is our canapes that we get for it being concierge. So this is an example of what you might get there if you book a concierge room. All right. And then as you come in, you'll see this is an adjoining cabin. You have your bed here to the right. And then if you come in a little further, you'll see we have stuff out. This is our last day of the cruise, so our cabin is a little bit lived in. So right here, high, you have the mirror, the desk with drawers, which aren't really a practical size, as I can tell you from living in here. They're pretty short. They're like 3 inches deep, so it's not super practical. Then you get a little table. You get the same size chair that we had in the interior room. The same 2 nightstands. And this is kind of what it looks like here. Whoop. Gonna trip over the table. So you do get a little bit more space here. And then you have the balcony. And you get 2 chairs, a little table. And this is room 7181. So in case you're interested in booking this room, this is what the balcony looks like. You do have like the covered area right there, and it is covered here. So I actually think it's a really nice balcony, and it is towards the aft of the ship on the port side. So yesterday we parked facing away from Key West, and today we parked facing towards Nassau. So it's just kind of a mixed bag on what you'll get. But anyways, this is a room tour. So here you go. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. We have experience with both the interior and the balcony. All right, thanks so much.